Okay, so in this video, I'm actually just going to show you how to run the correlations. This is probably familiar. You've probably done some of this in the semester before, but it probably helps just to review. So the way that you run correlations, you're going to go to Analyze, you're going to go down here to Correlate, you're going to go to Bivariate, and you're going to move the variables over that you want the correlations for. Okay, so you're going to notice now this in SPSS 26, and it's probably just an addition that we need to add to ours. We don't have the option of the bootstrapping. Okay, so in the textbook you'll see Andy talks about bootstrapping and some options there. So we're just going to do means, standard deviations, cross product deviations, and we're going to click OK. Notice that it defaults to Pearson. We'll talk a little bit later about Kendall's, Tau, and Spearman. But for now, because all of these variables here are interval or ratio scale variables, and we also wanted to flag significance, and here we're going to do a two-tail that defaults to a two-tailed test, which is what you want. So I'm going to run the analysis. Let me just move the screen down so you guys can see this. Okay, so here's my means of time spent reading. There's my standard deviations. So here's my correlation table, and it's telling me that time spent revising is significantly related to exam performance and is significantly related to exam anxiety, but there's a negative correlation. So the more time spent revising, the less exam anxiety. The more time spent revising, the higher the exam performance. That's your interpretation there. So those are the things that we will look at when we start looking at correlations, but that's your output for running a correlation.